Hello everyone, thank you for coming to Zen Investments YouTube channel. Now what I want to do today is actually just go over another quick learn with you guys just so you can start building on your multifamily confidence and experience and learning, and then you can connect with great syndicators, great partners, and just kind of build your business from there. So thank you for coming to this video. So in today's quick learn, what we're going to learn about is what is DSCR. DSCR stands for debt service coverage ratio. And this pretty much measures the cash flow available to service a company's debt. So in other words, what it does is it allows a bank to kind of see if they are willing to actually lend on your investment property or not, based on the income, the net operating income, and then the debt on the property. So again, measures cash flow available to service the company's debt, like I stated before. And how you get to this number is that pretty much what banks look at is you take the NOI, which again is the net operating income, divided by the total debt service, pretty much, and this is on a yearly basis. So you take the NOI for the year divided by the total debt service for that year. So again, it's not the entire debt service. So let's say if you have a $10 million loan, it's not the $10 million or whatever that is for that year, and then you to use that number. So keep that in mind. And again, banks typically look for a minimum of a 1.25 or higher in order to lend on the property, because if it's at least 125%, that you pretty much are, and what that's saying is that your NOI can pretty much cover that debt service 1.2 times. So it covers it in entire time plus 0.25 additional. So it just gives them confidence that, hey, okay, I can lend on this property. So keeping that in mind, here's a pop quiz again. The debt service ratio, DS. Some people say debt service ratio. I mean, there's a few different ways to say this, but what is the debt service coverage ratio of the below? The yearly NOI is 500,000, and the yearly property debt is $9,375,000. So what is the debt coverage ratio in this situation? And if you drum roll, so next slide, that's 0.05. So that's actually horrible. So if you guys are in a situation like this and you are looking at this number, you want to make sure you understand what it means, because if that's the case, you want to either run away from this property or figure out why is that the case, and if there's anything that's either miscalculated or that you can do to actually fix that, because no bank will lend on it. And also, let me just go back one slide. Look at that. It's $500,000 for your net operating income, and then your debt service is $9 million, which means that you will be under like millions of dollars, and that just wouldn't make sense. So hopefully you guys, no one has a property like that. Okay, now here's another example. What is the debt coverage ratio of this example? The yearly NOI is $1.2 million, and the yearly property debt is $960,000. Drum roll, and boom, there we go, 1.25. So this is pretty much the minimum of what a bank will look for in order to possibly lend on this property and put a mortgage on this property after obviously you pay the 25% down payment or whatever it is that you have there. But yeah, so just wanted to go over that with you guys as far as DSCR, in case you guys see this number on your underwriting sheet or you hear people talk about it, you know what it means. So as always, if you guys need guidance or inspiration, please go to greenzeninvestments.com. You can connect with me there, fill out a form, and I can contact you depending on what you want to speak about. If you need inspiration, please go to my other YouTube channel, youtube.com/planetgreenzen. I talk about inspiration and motivations to help get you through that mundane life, break free, and take action, because we all need that. And if you want to join a Facebook group where we all come together as a mastermind, go to facebook.com/groups/multifamily mastermind alliance. Thank you for watching this video. Again, this is Greg with Planet. That's my other channel, Greg with Planet Greenzen, or Greg with Zen Investments. I hope you guys have a great day.